Sorry, my cell phone ran out of storage. Okay, so there we go. So now let's look at this last example. What are 14m and 35n both divisible by? Well, 14 and 35 are both divisible by 7. Do m and n have any common factors? No. So 14m divided by 7 is 2m. 35n divided by 7 is 5n. And that would be our answer. So let's look at an application of that. Like, why do we care to be able to do that? And here is why. So look at number 7. We are going to factor out the common factor, right? What are they both divisible by? 2x. And inside, that leaves me with x plus 4. So if either one of those factors equals 0, then that could be our answer, right? So what if 2x equals 0, or x plus 4 could equal 0? So in this case, well, x could be 0, subtract 4, x could be negative 4. And it makes sense because if x is 0, 0 squared times 2 plus 0 is 0. Well, if it's negative 4, that's 16 times 2 is 32. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. So those are our two solutions. Okay, let's look at 9. Okay, well, first of all, they're not even on the same side. It's not set equal to 0, right? So let's do that first. 6n squared minus 15 equals 0. Now, both of these are divisible by 3. So we could have, oh, and you know what? This should have an n on it. That's my bad. Add that on there. So they're both divisible by 3n. And what that leaves me with is 2n minus 5. So 3n could equal 0, or 2n minus 5 could equal 0. And I kind of ran out of room. So let me come over here and solve it. So divide both sides by 3, n is 0. Add 5, divide by 2, n could be 5 over 2. I did not leave enough space. Okay, or look at number 11. So I'm going to subtract it. I'm going to do it like this. 3x squared minus 6x equals 0. So I can take out a 3x. That leaves me with x minus 2. So 3x could equal 0, or x minus 2 could equal 0. So x could be 0, or x could equal 2. So why don't you try the last 3, and then we can check your work. Okay, on number 8, we could take out a 3x. That leaves me with x minus 3. So x could be 0, or x could be positive 3. On this middle one, we can factor out a 2x, which leaves me with 2x plus 1. So x could equal 0, or x could equal negative 1/2. And then on this one, we could take out an a, which leaves me with a plus 5. So a could equal 0, or subtract 5, negative 5.